Look, you can never have enough skull molds. That's all I'm saying. Hello friends, welcome to Thursday's video. My battery is running low, so hopefully I can get through this intro before it dies. I have purchased some stuff again from Let's Resin, again with my own money. These will be in an upcoming video. I got some of these split cups because I want to try split cup pouring with resin, but that is not what we are here for today. My battery is literally about to die. We are here for some skulls. I got some new skulls, skull molds. Stay with me, battery, stay with me. Don't die on me. I'll never let you go, Jack. So, it's a big skull mold, yeah? And then 4 little baby skull molds. Today, we're going to pour the big one, and with any left over, we'll pour the other ones. Okay? All right. Quickest intro ever. I need to charge my battery. Oh my god, it's going to die. It's about to die. No, seriously, it's literally about to die. Alright, y'all, these are cured. I started to demold this just a little bit because I noticed these little bubble lines, and I was just kind of curious if it was part of the mold, like if they're meant to be there or not. I knew that this was probably going to have a lot of bubbles coming up because, you know, I poured it all at once instead of in layers. But I did that on purpose because I wanted to try again this, this idea of adding in the red and having it like flow down. So, first of all, it looks really cool from this angle. It looks really yellow though for some reason. I'm not sure why. It's probably a byproduct of the red mica powder that's in there. That's just like, maybe some of the orange undertones of the red have seeped into the clear, which is, you know, normal. It's to be expected. I do have an idea for this and these that I will try eventually, that I think will turn out really cool. Wow. That's actually really cool looking. Even with the weird bubble, the bubble lines that are very sharp. That's really cool looking. It reminds me of a lava lamp. Like when the lava is flowing. That's what it reminds me of. You get it so you can see, like, you know. That's really, really cool. These eye sockets are very deep. Like, that's almost all the way up to my first knuckle. Which is crazy. I didn't... Like, I knew that they were pretty big, but I didn't realize they would be that deep. But, okay. So, that is, that's the big skull. Now, let's do the little babies. Now, these shouldn't have too many bubbles in them, because they are quite little. I mean, they shouldn't have these bubble lines, you know. Oh, it's so cute. So stinking cute. Look at your little babies. You got little babies, big skull. Here's another one. These would make really cool earrings. You could make beads out of them for like bangles and stuff. Keychains. You can make keychains out of these. That would be kind of cool. Okay, this one I did similar to the other one, where I poured clear in and then the red over top of it. The red spread out a lot more in this one. But it's still kind of cool looking. Very interesting. It almost looks like a marble. Like, not a marble slab, but like, you know, a rolling marble. That's what it reminds me of. Alright. So here's the little babies. Very cool. I think this one's probably my favorite of the four. Just because it's really cool looking and the light passes through it in a really cool way. But yeah, I really like this skull mold. I know that I have, is it 2 or is it 3 others now? Two others? Yes, 2. I'm going to say 2. I might be wrong. I know that I have 2 other skull molds, but as I said in the beginning, you can never have enough skull molds. You just can't. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. The bubbles are kind of disappointing me, but I also kind of like the look of those. Like, that's kind of really cool looking. It's not meant to do that, obviously. This isn't a deep pour resin. It really should be poured in sections, but because I wanted to try, you know, to add that red in and kind of make it flow, you know, you can't do that in multiple pours and have it turn out this cool. So anyway, yeah, that is today's video. These are the molds, of course. If you guys enjoyed this, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.
Be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it.